Greetings, dear learners. Welcome to the Knowledge Center of SRN International School. I am Faculty of Social Science at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. And today in this video, we are going to learn about the topic Major Landforms from Grade 6, Book of Social Studies. Plains. Plains are large stretches of flat land not higher than 200 meters from mean sea level. Plains are mostly formed by river deposits. Plains are generally fertile. They are also thickly populated. Plains have dense network of roads and railways. Agriculture is the main occupation of these people. Ganga Brahmaputra plains in India, Ganges plains in China are some examples of plains. Types of plains. Some important types of plains are structural plains, erosional plains, depositional plains. Structural plains. These are plains which are formed by the upliftment of the sea floor around a continent. When a continental shelf is uplifted above the sea level, it becomes a plain. Erosional plains. These are plains which are formed due to constant erosion of the high areas, that is the hills and plateaus, etc. Due to the gradual wearing out of the higher areas, they come down to the level of plains. They are not very smooth plains but often undulated. They are also known as penny plains. West Siberian plain is an example of this type of plain. Depositional plains. These are plains which are formed as a result of the deposition of material in the low-lying area. There are different agents which perform depositional work such as running water, wind and glacier, etc. A plain which is formed by the depositional work of running water is known as alluvial basin. Indus plain, Ganga Brahmaputra plains are examples of alluvial plains. A plain which is formed by the depositional work of wind is called Loess plains. Northwestern China is an example of this plain. Formation of plains. Rivers and the tributaries bring silt and deposit it in the low-lying areas and form plains. River plains are thickly populated because of the following reasons. Plains are fertile. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. It can sustain a large population easily. Means of transport are easy to be constructed. Plains are ideal for human habitation due to flat land. Oceans. There are huge reservoirs of water on the Earth's surface known as oceans. The ocean basins have the counterparts of almost all the major landforms such as mountains, ridges, plateaus, plains, etc. Some of the relief features of the ocean floor are continental shelf, continental slope, abyssal plain, ocean trench, submarine ridges, islands. Continental shelf. From the coast towards the open sea, there is a stretch of shallow sea. The depth of sea water goes on increasing away from the coast under the sea very gradually. This part of the ocean is called continental shelf. Continental slope. Beyond the continental shelf, there is an abrupt steep slope under the sea till the floor of the ocean. This part of the ocean is called continental slope. Abyssal plain. Beyond the continental slope, there is an ocean bed which is not exactly plain but undulated. This undulating plain is called abyssal plain. Ocean trench. Ocean trenches are believed to be formed due to faulting of sea floor. These trenches are formed very deep on the ocean floor. They are often known as ocean deeps. The deepest trench is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Submarine bridges. These are like the mountain ranges rising above the ocean floor. They are long and narrow and generally remain submerged under the sea water. Islands. Due to constant deposition on the ocean floors, sometimes small land masses rise above the surface of the ocean water. They are called islands. They are formed due to coral deposition or volcanic deposition. To summarize, due to tectonic forces, the Earth's crust is continuously changing. These changes in the crust result in various landforms like continents, mountains, plateaus, etc. On the basis of their origin, the mountains are generally classified into three categories. They are fold mountains, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. Plateaus are flat-topped tableland with steep slopes on one or more sides. On the basis of geographical location of plateaus and structure, they are divided into different types: continental plateau, intermontane plateau, and Piedmont plateau. Plains are large stretches of flat land not higher than 200 meters from mean sea level. There are three important types of plains. They are structural plains, erosional plains, and depositional plains. The ocean basins have the counterparts of almost all the major landforms such as mountains, ridges, plateaus, plains, etc. The relief features of the ocean floor are continental shelf, continental slope, abyssal plains, ocean trench, submarine bridges, and islands. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will be useful to you all, and if you really like it, don't forget to share and subscribe it. Thank you.